Just picked up a new chainsaw. It's called a Garwinner, 20-inch blade. Never heard of the saw before, but thought I'd give it a try. They were running a 4th of July special. Came in. My old saw kind of quit on me after quite some time. And I figured I'd give this a go. Never heard of it before, but hopefully it's a winner. Gonna go ahead and try and finish cutting up this big thing. Went through more gas than what I expected. But all in all, it's a pretty good saw. Got the job done. I mean, that's a pretty good first test for the old girl. All right, till next time.